Welcome back to today's More Report. Chart space on Tuesday the 5th of July with me, Richard Pro Market Analyst at Antec Markets. My final chart of the day is gold, and we've seen this run higher in gold. Now I've got these two trend lines in, forming an uptrend channel effectively, dating back to sort of December last year. You could argue basically the gold price has been rallying ever since then. Consolidation phase through sort of 3-4 months above sort of 1200, really towards 1300, broke out above that and used that as the basis of support, that breakout. So I think that breakout is a very good buying opportunity now if you see a correction back into that. The rally that we've seen in the last few days has just hit the buffers a little bit. RSI hitting 70, interestingly, and just rolling over a little bit. I mean, you could say the fact that it's coming up at the top of the trend channel and also at 70, maybe that's the limit of this rally. Interesting also that it just failed to break out 1357.60, 1358.20 was the reaction high post Brexit. So that is obviously the resistance 1358 area, and it's just backing away from that. I think rallies, sort of minor corrections, are going to be seen as a chance to buy, though. As I said, around 1306 would be ideal. Whether you get that sort of correction or not remains to be seen in the next couple of days. You've got payrolls on Friday, which will create a lot of volatility on gold. Could create a strong payroll support, could drive gold lower, and I think that would be your little chance to buy. Certainly within this pink box here, the buy zone between 1260, which is an old pivot level, and 1300 would be absolutely ideal for medium to longer term plays. But on a near term basis, I still think above 13 figure, if you get a nice little support area, I think that would be a good little chance to buy as well for near term trades. But for now, just rolling over the top a little bit with the RSI at 70. I mean, you'd certainly look at the MACD lines and say positive momentum still coming through on the stochastics as well, but just sort of a little bit of possible profit taking that we are seeing, sort of $5 down on the day. Nothing too significant in terms of correction though yet on the hourly chart. You see the hourly RSI at 40, hitting 40. MACD line still above positive, so you'd still say it's fairly positive still. There's a nice sort of pivot area around the sort of 30. Got that pivot line at 35. Overnight lows 38. 1338. So it sort of obviously is a bit of a support area around that level. So I'd be interested to see if you break that to the downside. If you do, then maybe you're going to sort of be coming back into this sort of 1312 area, maybe 1306 again. But for now, 1335, 1337 is the support area, and that is holding. But if that breaks, maybe it'll continue the little near-term correction. But I'm still positive on gold on a longer-term basis, or medium to longer-term basis now. It's just that it's showing a few signs, and certainly silver is as well, showing a few signs of near-term correction. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.